rolling down through here. I got something I gotta go get done. I gotta quit doing this, I'm driving. Woo! Y'all take a look what the Rooster be doing. Yes, sir. Got me a new work table. How you like that? And that's my little office. We ain't gonna need that closed. So we'll poke around in here and get some lights, maybe a little electricity, and get some tools in this toolbox. We need a Rusty Rooster sticker up here. Getting a few lights in up here. Trying to get my old roast up and running. I got some goodies in. Pallet of them. Woo, pallet of them. I got a couple little engines. I got lights. Honda go-getters. These came in. Those came in. I don't know why they put two to a pallet. I got another pallet. Here, let's do it right here. Whoa, look at here. We got more. Oh, and then there's these. Woo! This is a good look of what we got done with that pile of goodies. Still got more to do. Yeah, boy, we got these built up. I'm liking it. That's a big boy right there. Oh yeah, nice little selection. Woo! Let's get these two knocked out.